Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a magnifying glass effect in After Effects. Create a composition, keep it at 1920, 1080, change your frame rate to 30, give it a name, and hit OK. I already imported a magnifying glass image and a background. So I have this magnifying glass image and this background. So drag them both, put them in the composition. Make sure your magnifying glass is on top of the background. The background is too big, as you can see, so we need to scale it down. Right click and go to transform, fit to comp width, create a new adjustment layer and put it in the middle in between the magnifying glass and the background. We need to apply two effects on the adjustment layer. The first one is magnify. Let's fix the position for the magnify. Click on the target for the center and try and approximately estimate where the middle. Click on it, scale it up. Go back to effects and presets, search for bulge, drag it and drop it on the adjustment layer too. To change the size, we have two values. There is the horizontal radius and there is the vertical radius. Drag the target from the vertical radius to the horizontal radius. So now when we change the horizontal, the vertical will be locked to it, as you can see. Next, we need to change the center for this one to be the same as the center for the magnify. And the best way to do it is to link the bulge its center to the magnify center. So open both of them and go towards the center and connect it to the center up here in the magnify. It will automatically put it in the same position. And now we need to keep adjusting the scaling until we get the proper dimension. If I click on the magnify image and try and move it, it's not linked to the effect. And the way to do it is to first, we need to move the pivot for the magnifying glass to be in the center. So if you go to the magnifying glass layer and click on this tool or hit Y, it will activate the pan behind tool and we can now change the center for the magnifying glass. And we can activate the ruler, press Ctrl R and drag one ruler in the middle horizontally and one vertically. Hide the guides once you're done. Now we can link the center of the magnify effect to the position of the magnifying glass image. We might need to do a little bit of adjustment, and to do so, go back and fix the pivot until it line up perfectly. So now if I go back and press V to activate the selection tool, if I move the magnifying glass, you can see the effect. And that's how you make a magnifying glass effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And see you in another one.